Hello, word listeners. I'm Alex, and welcome back to your daily dose of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a fundamental word, a building block of language itself, element. So, what exactly is an element? Simply put, it's a basic or essential part of something. It's a component, an ingredient, a piece that contributes to a larger whole. Think of it like the individual Lego bricks that come together to create a magnificent castle. Now, let's explore some synonyms for element. We have component, which refers to a part of something, typically a machine or a system. For example, the engine is a vital component of the car. Another useful synonym is ingredient, often used when talking about cooking or recipes. Patience is a key ingredient for success. Then there's part, a very common and versatile synonym. Communication is an essential part of any relationship. We can also use constituent, which is a component part of something larger. Trust is a vital constituent of a strong team. And lastly, consider factor, which refers to something that contributes to a result or outcome. Hard work is a major factor in achieving your goals. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms for element. First, we have whole, meaning the complete thing, not just a part. For instance, the painting as a whole is very impressive. Another antonym is entirety, signifying the complete or full extent of something. The entirety of the project was completed on time. We can also use aggregate, which refers to a whole formed by combining several separate elements. The data aggregate provides valuable insights. Think of totality as well, which represents the sum of all parts. The totality of the experience was unforgettable. And finally, consider collection, which is a group of things taken as a whole. My stamp collection is quite extensive. Let's see how we can use element in everyday conversations. You might say, honesty is a crucial element in a friendship. Or, planning is an important element of any successful project. Consider this. The weather is always an unpredictable element when we go camping. You could also say, teamwork is a key element to our company's success. Or even, the artistic element in her work is what makes it so unique. Here are some more usage examples. The element of surprise was crucial to the success of the mission. Each element of the design was carefully considered. She possesses an element of mystery that I find intriguing. Fear was definitely an element in his decision-making. The human element is often overlooked in technological advancements. There's an element of truth in what he's saying. We need to add a creative element to this presentation. He lacks the element of risk-taking in his personality. The investigation is missing a key element. She has a natural element on stage. Each chapter of the book covers a different element of the topic. Remember, element means a basic part of something. It can be a component, an ingredient, a part, a constituent, or a factor. Its antonyms include whole, entirety, aggregate, totality, and collection. Use it in sentences like hard work is an important element of success or honesty is a key element in any relationship. So that wraps up our word for today. I hope you found this exploration of the word element helpful. Remember, building your vocabulary is like building a house. Each word is a brick, and the more bricks you have, the stronger your house will be. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'll be back tomorrow with another exciting word. Before I go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and expand their own vocabulary. And now I have a challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word element? Share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.